Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to track sleep on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do to track your sleep on your Apple Watch is press the two crown once, scroll down, locate and click on the sleep icon, which looks like car, or better still, scroll down, click on list view. Now scroll down gently, just keep scrolling until you get to the sleep icon and then select it. Just keep scrolling. You should say sleep. Then click on it. Now you can see I have my active sleep page. This is how it's going to look once you set up sleep tracking on your Apple Watch. Now you can see my bedtime and my wake time. Now in your own case, what you want to do, once you click on the sleep icon, come here and select your wake. Then set to your wake up time. So if you want your wake up time to be AM or PM, select it here. Then set hour using the H2 crown. Select minute. Then adjust it using the H2 crown. Click on check mark to save. If you want to turn on alarm, turn on alarm. Then again, come to AC bedtime, click on bedtime. Set your bedtime AM, PM, hour, and minute using your digital crown. Then click on the check mark to save. Now, come to full schedule. Under full schedule, turn on sleep schedule. Then scroll down, come to schedule, select every day, so that this is going to make the Apple Watch to track your sleep every day. If you want to use alarm, turn on alarm. And if you want to delete sleep tracking, click on delete schedule to delete it. And then if you scroll down, you will see your options. Your sleep go and then they went down. Now, when next you want to track your sleep on your Apple Watch, all you simply need to do is go ahead, strap the Apple Watch while you want to sleep, and then go to bed. The Apple Watch should be able to track your sleep henceforth. So that is basically how to track sleep on Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.